me to recreate the almighty Naomi Campbell's 5-minute tutorial. So the makeup.
Welcome to being Naomi. I'm going to do my quick 5-minute, no, it's more than 5 minutes.
She's beautiful.
15 minutes makeup. I never have so much time, so.
She says she doesn't have so much time to do her makeup. So basically, she's just going ahead and applying a concealer. That's so unusual for me.
I find that they just lay easy.
Okay, I'll go ahead and do the same thing like the queen, if you see what I mean. So she's just putting a lot of concealer here, but she's using a sponge. So I'm just going to literally put a little bit of concealer.
I think it's important to do the T-zone.
On the T-zones,
T-zone is always important.
I'm just copying her. Ooh.
I want them to hear because this part on a woman, the older we get,
Oh, this part.
it's a little more just coloured. I guess it's
So-
why we have a moustache, but we don't have a moustache.
Did you hear that? Let me stop and let me know. It's like this place, there's always color here. So this is where, because we don't have a mustache, probably we have that line because it's a little bit darker. So for her, she always put a bit of concealer as well, the T-zone, and the T-zone area. She just walk it like that and under the eyes. So I'm not gonna start playing her for now because I will try to blend in. I will try to blend my makeup in and continue with what she have to say. Let me try and just go ahead and blend. Flawless as Naomi Campbell's skin, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just put like a little foundation. So this one I'm using Lancome, the Miracle Tint Extra Wear Foundation. If you could see, this is what I'll be using today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put a little blob on my sponge, on my brush, and just literally.
I keep forgetting my mirrors here. I try to look at myself through my camera, but it's not the best thing to do. I'm just going to put it on the side, just to, you see what I mean. I'm not going to literally put it where I've done with concealer. I'm so sorry, Naomi, I'm going out of track. I'm so sorry, darling. I shouldn't really go out of track. But your skin, even without foundation, your skin is just so beautiful. So yeah, I have a little bit of bump, and yeah, I think that's alright. I think we could continue working out. Okay.
Let's continue.
I'm going to put the powder on with a little brush.
So she's gonna put on powder with a little brush. So I'll be using a Lancome. I'm using Lancome powder.
NARS Mountain.
So I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder. Usually I don't use a lot of powder because my skin is quite dry. So I'm just gonna brush that out and just literally dab.
I really don't have anything on here. It's more here.
Exactly. She said she doesn't have a lot of things here. It's just more under the eyes, here.
The rest of my face I don't have.
Exactly.
Enough powder. I love this. This is called Hina. This is also NARS.
So basically she's using NARS products. So I'm not using NARS. So I'm just using what I have at home just to recreate a look. But I'm sure we're doing a good job here. Okay, Naomi. I think this is coming together, sweetie.
You know about the eye.
Yeah, because she didn't really put foundation. She just used. Oh! What did I miss? No. Slow down. So what else did she do? Did I miss that?
For me, that's enough powder.
Okay.
I love this. This is called Hina. This is also NARS.
Okay, that's a contour.
Contour.
She's doing a contour.
A contour.
Yeah?
I think it comes in a 2-pack.
Right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my contour as well. Where's my contour palette? So I'm using Smashbox, and it comes in 3 shades like that. So as you can see from the picture, this is the darkest. So I'm gonna be using the darkest one to contour my cheek. Like I'm just literally following what's our runway diva, what she's doing. Literally I'm just following her style and try to get a look. So where is my contour brush? Yeah, so I'll be using this brush actually came with this palette. I think it did. So literally Naomi, she did under the chin zone like that. She just did a little bit. And a little bit like this. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah.
I sometimes even put Dina above the eye here.
Oh, sometimes she even puts above the eye here.
And sometimes you can also put a little bit just under here.
So a little bit under here.
Just depends where the light is, you know?
It just depends where the light is, darling. Guilty. I don't really have. I'm just gonna go ahead with this color here, but our one is more pinkish. So I'll go ahead with what I have. So with the blush, she's just putting it up a little bit there.
So it's quite a bright color.
Ooh, this one is very shiny.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
On vacation, I just put the blush on top of the eyes, cheeks. But
Yeah.
I don't like to put blush here and there on low cheeks. I think it looks like clowny.
Oh, so she always like putting it a bit higher, not below the cheek. She said it looks a little bit clowny if it's below the cheek. Next,
Highlighter.
highlighter.
My little favorites is called Veil. And it's like 3 different highlighters.
I'll be using Clinique highlighter. Where does she? I'm just gonna try and use my finger to work with it and literally blend everything in. So I'm just gonna literally put a little bit of highlight here, just above. If you see where, a little bit there. Because with the liquid one, sometimes it's a bit
Tricky to work with. You don't like the powder one. And yeah. That's my brush. There we go. I'm gonna use this brush to blend that a little bit. Yeah. So where did she put that highlight? So right on the top of the cheekbone. On the forehead. Oh. So on your sort of nose as well. Oh, she's very quick. She's very quick. She is very quick. I'm losing track. She is very, very quick, guys. So I'm just gonna blend that in. So literally, she likes highlighter just depending on, you know, where the light hits. She said where the light hits. Just blend that.
in a little bit. Yeah, okay, that's not bad. That's very subtle. You know, this makeup. Oh, look at my nose. It's actually shining. Yeah, then she's just giving a little bit of shade at the side of her nose. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Just right here.
I'm not going to do much of an eyebrow.
So she said she's not gonna do much of eyebrow, but at the moment my eyebrow is a mess. So I'm just. So we're just gonna sort of do the neck a little bit,
Blend.
and you blend. Where's my brush? Now it's slow
You know
down.
that I love a
Yeah, just
pinky
the neck.
colour. Oh, right. This is called outrage and this is called sexual content. Yeah. And I like a pinky, so I'm going to mix these two.
Yeah, so she's just going ahead putting a lipstick. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my Oh My Gloss lipstick,
So I'm going to mix these two.
lip gloss rather.
I remember when I was younger, friends wanted to have my favourite NARS lipstick used to be Honolulu Honey. If we feel that we need a little bit more highlight under the eye with Mountain, just like a
So
layer.
she's just adding a little bit of highlights under the eyes. So I will go ahead and do exactly what she has just done. Exactly what she has done. I'm gonna just go ahead and do. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight the under eyes. If you need it. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I like that. And what next?
Powder.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
5-minute makeup.
5 minute Naomi's makeup.
I don't really wear mascara. I would love to attempt to put some of this.
So she doesn't really wear mascara. I think she has like some lashes going on there. I don't have any lashes. To do that. So what she's doing at the moment, she just puts a bit of highlight on that eyebrow. Could I have my too many things happening, too many things. So I'll just try and put a bit of highlight there. Literally look for a little thing to blend that in. Can you see? So nice and shiny. Yeah. So let's see what I will try and blend that one in. So let's see what she has. Yeah, blend. You don't want it to be too much. You just depending on. That's how I put myself together. When I do it, it has to be a minute. It has to be quick. So this is how I get my Naomi Campbell glow. And actually, it's very nice. It's very nice. It's very neutral. It's very natural. I think I'm glowing, darling. Thank you, almighty Naomi Campbell, for giving me this look. I know I did not use mask, but I just use the regular things I have at home. And darling, this is not bad, is it? I'm actually, you know, with my cheek, I could see my cheek. My cheek is literally glowing. And my nose is not heavy. This is just like a nice summer makeup. And you know what? I am going to definitely... Thank you so much for watching this video. So I'm very happy with the look that I recreated for Naomi Campbell 5-minute tutorial. I think it's very subtle look. It's not too like harsh. It's very natural. It's very... is really nice. So I did a little bit more blending of everything. I blended everything in. So for summer look, I think this is beautiful. It's not too heavy. It's not going to be too sticky, if you see what I mean, because it's just less product, but absolutely gorgeous. You could see my nose is like really defined. My under my hair, what is it called again, is very defined. So, and my under my eyebrow is very defined. And no, I'm quite happy with the look. I think I'm gonna try this again out of camera. Really pleased with the tutorial. Yeah. So I really had a great time doing this video. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Until next time, guys, I will see you. And thank you so much for the almighty Naomi Campbell for doing this tutorial. It was great recreating it.